Welcome to the future of biology. Imagine having a tool so precise it can edit the code of life itself, fixing genetic diseases, boosting crops, or even bringing back extinct species. That tool is CRISPR-Cas9, and it's not science fiction. It's happening right now. In this video, we're diving into what CRISPR is, how it works, and why it's one of the most exciting and controversial technologies of our time. Stick around because by the end, you'll see why CRISPR could change everything. Let's get started. What is CRISPR-Cas9? The basics. CRISPR-Cas9 sounds like a sci-fi gadget, but it's actually a natural defense system found in bacteria. Here's the deal. Bacteria get attacked by viruses, just like we get colds. To fight back, bacteria store snippets of viral DNA in their own genome, like a most wanted list. This is the CRISPR part, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. It's a memory bank of enemy DNA. Now enter Cas9, the molecular scissors. Cas9 is an enzyme that uses those stored DNA snippets as a guide to find and cut matching viral DNA, stopping the virus in its tracks. Scientists realized they could hijack this system to edit any DNA, not just viral DNA. It's like giving bacteria's immune system a universal remote control for gene editing. Why is this a big deal? Because DNA is the instruction manual for all life. Editing it with CRISPR is like editing the source code of a computer program, except the program is you, me, or even a plant. How does CRISPR-Cas9 work? A step-by-step breakdown. Let's break down how CRISPR-Cas9 edits genes, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. Think of it like a super smart GPS for your DNA. Here's how it works. The guide RNA, gRNA. Scientists design a small piece of RNA, a molecule similar to DNA, that matches the exact gene they want to edit. This gRNA is like a search query, telling Cas9 where to go in the genome. Cas9 finds the target. The Cas9 enzyme, armed with the gRNA, scans the DNA until it finds the matching sequence. It's like Cas9 is reading the DNA's barcode, and when it finds a match, it locks on. The cut. Once Cas9 finds the target, it acts like molecular scissors and cuts both strands of the DNA. This creates a break that the cell desperately wants to repair. The edit. Here's where the magic happens. The cell's repair machinery kicks in to fix the break. Scientists can trick the cell into using a custom DNA template they provide, swapping out the original gene for a new one. It's like replacing a faulty sentence in a book with a corrected version. The result, the gene is now edited permanently. This could mean fixing a mutation that causes a disease, adding a new trait, or even turning a gene off entirely. What makes CRISPR so powerful is its precision. Older gene editing tools were like trying to edit a book with a sledgehammer, messy and unpredictable. CRISPR is like using a laser-guided pen. CRISPR is already changing the world. Here are some jaw-dropping ways it's being used. Medicine. CRISPR is being tested to cure genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. In 2019, a patient named Victoria Gray received CRISPR therapy for sickle cell disease, and her symptoms improved dramatically. It's like rewriting the faulty code that caused her illness. Agriculture. CRISPR is creating crops that resist pests, grow in harsh climates, or pack more nutrients. For example, scientists have made wheat resistant to fungal diseases, which could help feed millions in a warming world. Fighting cancer. Researchers are using CRISPR to supercharge immune cells to hunt down cancer. It's like giving your immune system a high-tech upgrade to fight tumors. De-extinction. Some scientists are exploring CRISPR to bring back species like the passenger pigeon or even the woolly mammoth by editing the DNA of their closest living relatives. It's like hitting undo on extinction, though it's still a long shot, but it's not all rosy. CRISPR raises big ethical questions, which we'll get to in a bit. CRISPR's power comes with serious responsibility. Here's why it's so controversial. Designer babies. In 2018, a Chinese scientist named He Jiankui used CRISPR to edit the genes of twin babies to make them resistant to HIV. The world was outraged, not just because it was risky, but because it opened the door to designer babies, where parents could pick traits like eye color or intelligence. Should we be editing human embryos? Where do we draw the line? Unintended consequences. Editing one gene could have ripple effects we don't fully understand. A small mistake could cause new genetic diseases or harm future generations. It's like editing one line of code and accidentally crashing the whole program. Access and inequality. Who gets CRISPR therapies? They're expensive, so there's a risk only the wealthy could afford genetic upgrades, creating a sci-fi style gap between the enhanced and everyone else. Ecosystem risks. Releasing CRISPR-edited organisms, like mosquitoes designed to stop malaria, could disrupt ecosystems in unpredictable ways. What if we fix one problem, but create a bigger one? These debates are why scientists, governments, and even the public need to weigh in on how CRISPR is used. The future of CRISPR. What's next? CRISPR is still in its early days, but the possibilities are mind-blowing. Here's what could be coming. Curing more diseases. Beyond single-gene disorders, CRISPR could tackle complex diseases like Alzheimer's or diabetes by targeting multiple genes at once. Personalized medicine. Imagine doctors using CRISPR to tailor treatments to your unique DNA, making medicine more effective than ever. Environmental solutions. CRISPR could help save coral reefs by making them heat-resistant or create plants that suck up more carbon dioxide to fight climate change. Space exploration. NASA is exploring CRISPR to protect astronauts from radiation by editing their DNA. It could make humans better suited for life on Mars. But to get there, we need to solve CRISPR's challenges, like making it even more precise, affordable, and ethically sound. CRISPR-Cas9 isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's giving us the power to rewrite the code of life, to heal, to innovate, and maybe even to dream bigger than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility. As CRISPR reshapes our world, we all have a role in deciding how it's used. So what do you think? Should we embrace CRISPR to its fullest or proceed with caution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. If you love this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science that blows your mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.